16th, Thursday. It's 8:58, and of course, once again, we are running late to work. Got up to pee at 5 o'clock. Had my alarm set for 6 and 6:30, and then just snoozed it until 7:45, and late again. So, you know, I don't know what to do in the mornings. I really don't know what to do. But today's gonna be kind of an all-around, like a kind of jumping around vlog. Some things I need to do, some things I might do, some things I probably won't do. So there's no point in me explaining it all. I'll just bring you with, and I'll explain it as we go. But right now we are headed into work. We have about 112 stops, and hopefully it should be an easier kind of day. So I will talk to you guys again when we get to the terminal and get our truck loaded. All right, I've got to be one of the probably worst vloggers in the history of vlogging. It's 5:30, and I didn't record anything when I was at work. So we're not picking up the truck today. Probably do it tomorrow. It's probably windy as shit. You probably can't hear me. I do have some things to tell you about, like the bank and stuff like that. Like I'll tell you when I get home. What I'm not gonna do in the car because it's dark outside. But I did stop at my favorite rest stop, my favorite truck stop, on the way home from work, and I gotta pee so bad. We're gonna adventure, probably get some snacks because I'm snacky and do some pretty cool shit here. So we'll see. I walked into the bathroom and that tree 100% scared the shit out of me. Creepy. So first of all, let's look at the snacks here. The camera's like shit. Nothing too special. What is that? Sponge? What? Violet crumbles. What? And chips. Lunchables. Big thing of Whoppers. Bunch of pop. Oh, free. So this is what I'm interested in. You can get coffee. Hot chocolate. I'm 100% gonna try these. Because I just want to see how that works. But there's more downstairs, so let's go look downstairs. Windy as hell outside. Nothing about jumping. I'll jump. It's not. It's a sandwich machine. Sandwich machine. I guess there's some sandwiches. Lame. That big Texas looks good though. Red lines. Orange slices. Holy cow, $3.50. Holy shit. They ain't messing around. I kind of want some orange slices, I ain't gonna lie. Pineapple filled cookies? What? I'm gonna get French vanilla maybe. How do you, does it do it itself? Alright, we're going again. All right, guys. This French vanilla is actually really fucking good. I'm probably gonna regret drinking caffeine at 10 o'clock. But anyway, we got home, ended up talking to my parents for like an hour. I'm not gonna record anything else. So mad I bought these lights. They said purple in the box, but they're so fucking pink. That's not purple. It's not purple at all. So we're gonna head to bed. I want to talk to you guys tomorrow about all the things I'm going to talk to you about today. The truck is ready, and we just have to get it and take the car in. So I'm going to do that tomorrow if we have a good day at work. If we have a long day at work, we'll take the car for another day. Not too sure. I'm just going to combine this video with tomorrow's video. So I'm going to bed right now, but you guys will just cut over to tomorrow. So I'll see you guys in a minute, which will be tomorrow for me and tomorrow for you. I'll see you tomorrow.